Gourmet fashion, N38. Well, light up the night and sparkle. As I said, more glitter, less bitter, right? From Anu Reina in booth L51. L51. Anu Reina fashion, L51. For fine merino wool, silk, and so much to see. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, and boys and girls, for spending some of your time here at our main stage. Thanks to Volvo. And don't forget, please, if you wish to come back again,
keep churning water. Oh yes, already. And the dog is from a white pine booth. Made that in 2015.
It's nice hot dog,
I
huh?
just bring it to the shows for a laugh. People like it.
An example. Let's just say this one. So you really like this watch, but you want the case or the body of this to be yellow, like yellow gold. No problem. I have yellow gold, rose gold, and black you can choose from. Yep, and I have different sizes as well you can choose from. The straps, there's tons of choice, like so many. And the dial or the face, I make that strap myself. So there is like all these colors you can choose from, right? Like two different sizes.
What are the material?
Well, it depends. So these watches are very different in that they're all metal dials. So silver, brass, bronze. I use different coloring techniques on them as well to make them different colors. These dials are lots of different color choices, but I also have like mother of pearl, or there's all sorts. So, there's all these different types of shell you can choose from.
Awesome.
Yeah. So it's really customizable. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
But I also do fully custom. So like right from scratch little movements, then you're talking like 450 to up to 1,000 for these types of watches.
What
For
about
these guys are totally different. They're all mechanical.
Mm-hmm.
No batteries. You got to wind them up or
Oh,
automatic.
actually?
Yes. Yeah.
Oh wow,
And,
old fashioned.
Yeah.
Смотри.
Ага.
Прикол. Не хочешь? Не хочешь себе такой?
Я свой.
Возьми себе, он коричневый. Не?
Да.
It's not too much longer. It's surprisingly soft. This is all Brazilian soapstone.
Ah,
See how easily it comes apart? So it's not so soft that it's going to disintegrate in water or anything. You can't pull it apart. It is a solid rock from Brazil. It's just so soft. We use wood carving tools and sandpapers on it. Yeah, very nice.
What do you use those for? It's,
This?
yeah.
yes.
Toaster tongues.
Ah, to take
For
those
the bread in the toaster.
Yeah. Ah.
I use it for cooking, serving,
Ah, it's like
sushi, eating, have games.
It's like spread, right?
Yeah, it's a spread, it's a dip, it's loaded with fresh Canadian seafood. That's the crab mousse. Here's some crab mousse for you. And this one has the lobster. The tail, knuckle, and claw of the Atlantic Canadian lobster.
So we got here, and this goes between your fingers out like that, and just put them together and
And how it works?
so you got these beads here, and like, there's all these ways you can move them. See if you can try this one where you're rotating them.
It's exercise.
Yeah, exactly. You can go one way and then you can go the other way.
It's like Chinese balls, but you cannot lose them because they.
Yeah,
Yeah, exactly.
It's like Dairy Queen version where the ice cream doesn't fall out of the cup. You know how they do that? Let's see how you do it.
I'm gonna take it to my house and do that.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah. Right.
Season, and this was one of them.
Thank you.
So I'll get them to tag you
Yes,
when it
please.
gets posted.
Шапочки.
Easy. Everything is actually in the bags that you need. Let me show you all that. Each bag or each box contains instructions, tent, which goes over top of your mycelium kit, and a mycelium block. This one's black, but you just have to expose it to, you have to cut like an X or a stripe in it. There's actually a spray bottle in them all as well, so you spray the tent. So for the lion's mane and for the oyster, you have to cut a strip or an X, and then you cover it with the tent, and then you spray it with water. The tent with water. It's just inside. Inside. You can do these stuff.
Those are nice, right? Those are, yeah. You want one of those? Yeah, I could have been this morning. They're all gone. Just wait a little. The little spoons and dishes.
Это хороший подарок.
This is actually a real apple, huh?
Caramel and cinnamon sugar glaze.
And it was a shrimps with some sauce. And other
Oh yeah, no. Sri Lankan.
Oh, was that all?
That's all. That's all. It's all just
These are
all.
real chili peppers. These are. A wasabi would be like a 7 on our heat scale.
6. Beef and carrots.
I think this is
This is a tuna salad alternative made from jackfruit. Really good carrot.
What is it?
Tuna salad made from jackfruit, and this is a carrot logs.
This is come different. And I have plenty here.
Ah, that is, yes, I see.
No, I have the bow tie, more bow ties here too. In the box here.
Nice, huh? It's called common Kumon.
Yeah, for somebody to assemble them, some are easier than others, but between 4 to 6 hours, generally speaking.
Very like not hot sauce. Well, you were very brave, and I appreciate you. And when your
I saw it
palate,
was the one drop.
when your palate is like a little more. Well, I made that up. So I don't know, but do you guys think that the Aviary Blaze is spicier than Green Dogmas?
Let's do Fiesta Taco.
We all make it homemade. It's all fresh made. My aunt been making hummus for 45 years. They perfected each and every recipe. Come give it a try.
Thank you. Oh my god.
The crust is black pepper. And the top is
Those